Hey guys, welcome to Twinmotorcar. The India spec S-Presso was previously tested in 2020 under the old protocols where it scored 0 stars. Global NCAP has tested the Maruti Suzuki S-Presso under its new and upgraded crash test protocols, which came into effect in July 2022. In the new test, the S-Presso scored a 1-star rating for adult protection and a 0-star rating for child protection. In the crash test conducted under the new global NCAP protocols, the Maruti Suzuki S-Presso received a 1-star rating for adult occupant protection tests, scoring 20 points out of the maximum of 34. This includes 8 points for the frontal offset impact and 12 points for the side deformable crash test, both out of a possible 17. In the frontal impact test, the protection offered for the driver's and passenger's head was rated as good. However, the testers noted that the driver's chest offered a poor protection, and that's where major points were lost. For the passenger's chest, on the other hand, the S-Presso offered marginal protection. The side crash test is compulsory in the new global NCAP norm, and here the S-Presso showed marginal protection for the driver's head and chest, but the abdomen and pelvis protection was rated as good. A pole impact test, also a part of the new protocol, was not conducted on the hatchback since it does not have any form of side head protection. Even as an option, the S-Presso also doesn't get electronic stability control as standard, and hence it was not tested for safety assist system. Moreover, it does not comply with pedestrian protection norms either. For the child protection, it was awarded just 3.52 points out of the possible 49. The poor score was mainly due to the S-Presso not offering ISO fixed anchorage points for the child and booster seats. In the previous protocol, the regulation did not require child dummies for side impact tests. However, they are now compulsory, and S-Presso offered full side impact protection. In the 2020 test, the S-Presso came with just driver's side airbag as standard. It offered only adequate protection to the driver's neck and poor protection to the passenger's neck. In the new test, the S-Presso, which now gets dual airbag as standard, offers good protection to the driver and passenger's neck. Also sees an improvement to the chest protection score for the passenger side. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more automobile videos.